doing something to me. Like, why did I go spend that much on these jeans? They want me caged, I can't wait till I'm free.
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy nathangd. Hopefully I'm not covering the mic. Today we're meeting up with the boys. We're heading to a car meet right now. It's like a car show. I'm gonna meet up with Ryan and Abram. Wow, you're so cool, bro. I do not know if the car meet is gonna be, or car show is gonna still be going on. Dang, I should have went. Car show's still gonna be going on by the time we get there because we are definitely running a little late. Today is also my birthday. I just turned 21. I don't know why this keeps unfocusing. Forgot to put up the windows. I am tripping. But yeah, we are headed to the meet. Well, actually, we're headed to meet up with the boys real quick. Do a little mini pool. This road is not safe to be speeding on though. There's so many cops here. Last night there were so many cops outside. Like, it was actually ridiculous. There was cops everywhere. Before we even got to the first spot, there was already cops. Oh, hi lady. There's already cops there waiting for us. There's 2 state troopers waiting. And as soon as we get there, they tell us that, you know, we're allowed to be here because legally they can't even kick us out because it's a park and ride. So legally people are allowed to go there and park their cars, which is what we were exactly doing. So they were tripping. First they were saying it's okay, and then out of nowhere, when the people started showing up, because we were gonna have a lot of people anyway, and we did end up having a lot of people. We went to the second spot, and they were like, everybody needs to get back in their car and leave immediately. So then everybody like ran back to their car and left. They like gave this one dude like 20 tickets. Like, I'm not even playing it because his car is you know. I actually, yeah, his car is extremely stock, and so they he wasn't even doing anything either. He was just parked, and they were just being, you know, they were being great people. They were being very nice for people that were just coming there and parking and not doing anything. Ooh, looking clean. I think that might be just be at 3:30 though. I don't know. All right, we're about to be there. All right, so we met up with the boys. Got Ryan. But yeah, now we don't know what to do, bro. Trying to find somewhere to take flicks, and also we saw the Huracan from last night go by. Got Kevin here.
Yo, too nice to not be outside.
Yo, look at his vans, bro.
That's a hard here to move. So yo, God.
Yo, what it do, bro?
Oh. What is it?
This is Mr. Drone Man. What the heck?
Yeah. And it twisted to your hoop. I was getting crunk here, right? Crunk?
I don't know. Something.
Yo, what?
Paul Mason. The fuck is Paul Mason?
A few moments later.
Alright, so after 20 hours,
The guy got headphones on, bro.
we just finally decided to leave. Got Kev Dog with me. I'm gonna go get some food real quick. Got fat and tired, bro. We're gonna line up. I don't even know if you can see it. I'm trying to pay attention to the road while I'm doing this. Can't even see it that well, but there's a Lexus right next to us, and Ryan's with us. So it's us 3. I wish we could get rollers of us like this. Look at that thing. That thing looks beautiful. Yeah, it's definitely an Aston Martin. Yeah, it is. Look at it. You can see the badge. Casually seeing Aston Martin today. Oh my gosh, that thing looks so good. People stopping in front of me. Dang. Yo. You've been seeing so many nice cars off camera. Not like, you know, not like an insane amount, but nothing like an Aston Martin, but still. Every time I'm not recording, that's when I see a nice car. Dang. Alright, we're now next to the Aston Martin.
Yo.
Oh, he's not even looking.
Yo.
Not even looking, bro. Yeah, he not even looking. That shit is so clean though. Gosh dang. Alright, we made it to the parking garage. Now we're trying to park. Spotted a random little. We're not actually parking here. Dang, that's an Alpha though. That's weird. I've never even seen that before.
I've seen it before.
It's alright. Looks alright. Alright, now we gotta go to the spot. Now they have a rev off with a random dude that's in the garage and we don't even know where he's at. Oh, my sister's calling. Sounds like a Mopart. Sounds like a scat. Okay, I am currently editing this video right now. I'll flip the camera. Okay. So we went up to the top to the roof to take pictures, of course, and I will put the pictures right here.
A few moments later.
What is bro doing? Bro is literally running around screaming. Just welcome to, bro, he is running across the street. Welcome to his house and we're just filling up.
That happened.
Yeah. I saw it.
Yo, I got out the car so fast, bro.
Tweakers be ruining everything for everyone. Alright, so now we are on our way back to, you know, dropping the Beamer off. Kev Dog, Ryan. But alright, that'll be it for the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Have a great day. And wish me happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Alright, peace.
I'm sending letters to my angels, hope you get my message. If I don't get this bitch no money, she gon' say I'm petty. Chris just like my brother, it feel like we Eddie. Okay, them drugs kicking in, bro punch me in, I said I'm ready. I put some cash on my wrist, it got my